Okay guys, so going all around the internet is the bottle cap challenge where people are kicking the bottle cap off, and I've seen one guy actually shoot the bottle cap off. Now that doesn't mean shooting it through it, but you gotta shoot it on the edge so it unscrews. I decided to take that challenge. Got a guy next to me by the name of Johnny Ringo.
How's it going?
That's how we refer to him. This is Johnny Ringo. He has a new gun that he purchased and was generous enough to let me try it out. So I'm going to use his gun that I have now shot one time, and I'm going to try to use it to shoot the bottle cap off. And we'll see how we do. I've set up 2 bottle caps because I'm sure I'm going to screw this up at least once. So we're going to try it out and see whether or not we can pull this off.